Hello, this is Nathan with the Tibet Action Institute. Today, another micro lesson, a very micro lesson on Facebook application security. Now, we all have been using Facebook quite a bit over the last few years, and one of the most interesting things to do is add applications for games and causes and sharing. The unfortunate thing is when you add these applications, they actually give access not only to all of your own information, but also to your friends' information, because the application can look up who your friends are in order to send them things or invite them to play the game and so on. Now, most applications you think are trusted, but there really isn't any verification process for launching an application by Facebook. So anyone can launch an application and provide it to you for you to add to your account. Previously, any data the application collected would have to be erased by that application after 24 hours, though that didn't necessarily always happen. Just yesterday at the F8 conference, Facebook announced that no longer do applications have to remove the data, so they can keep all the information they collect about you, what's on your profile, who your friends are, forever, and do pretty much anything they want with it. So what I wanted to show today is how to remove applications from your Facebook account. This is very important. So if you go to your Facebook account to application settings, you'll be given a short list of applications, but what you want to do is go to your authorized list of applications. This is a big list. I have 110 authorized applications. This means these applications are authorized to access different parts of my Facebook account and my network of friends. So I'm going to go through and decide which ones I want to keep. Causes, I think I like that one because it's where I can support different causes like the Tibet Freedom Movement. Delicious, I don't even really use that anymore on my profile, so I think I'm going to get rid of that. So I'm removing it from my profile, and you just click the star and then you hit remove. And hopefully it happens quickly. There we go. It's done. So there's one down, 100 to go. So I'm just going to go through and remove these. Dig.com, it's just like stuff you don't even use. Some of these you can't, like developer and events, because those are Facebook built applications, so I can't do that. Do-Gooder TV, for a while we were all just adding applications like crazy, not even thinking about it. And now you look back and think, wow, what are all these things? Now, there are things you can do. For instance, if I wanted to keep a game, Dungeons and Dragons, I can edit settings and look at the permissions. Well, this game, all I can do is look at publish out activity on my wall. That's okay, so I think I'll keep that one. Family Link, though, let's look at what that is. I think that is a family tree application. Well, let's see. Controls of, this doesn't really do much. But, again, I'm not using it, so I'm just going to remove it, right? So, a lot of things I need to do. Edit settings on this one, let's see. Ooh, look at this. The Flickr app. Access my data when I'm not using the application. This means the app can access any information in my Facebook account at any time, whether I'm sleeping or awake or doing anything. So that's probably not good. But maybe I want to keep Flickr because it shows my photos. So you get the idea. This is a way to have control over what applications can do on your Facebook account to help keep your information private and your friends safe. I'm Nathan from the Tibet Action Institute with another micro lesson. Thank you.